how to turn on or turn off data limit and stop overspending on your phone bill on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we now scroll down and tap on connections. Then go down and tap on data usage. Then scroll down and tap on billing cycle and data warning. Next, tap on set data limit. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When you turn it on, you can then go down and tap on data limit. Now, depending on your data plan, you want to go in here and set the data plan. So let's say if you have 40 gigs every month, you set it to 40. At the top here, you can also set your data warning. So you can set to 30. So your phone will warn you when you have reached your 30 gigabytes of usage for that month. And from there, you can take the appropriate action. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.